Hello everyone, this is Dacia from Linbay-Machinery, and today I'm in the factory and I'd like to introduce this strut channel roll forming machine to you. This strut channel roll forming machine can produce profiles thickness of 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, and 2.5 millimeters. In this production line, we have a dequiller, a roll forming machine, a flying hydraulic punch station, and a flying hydraulic cutting system. Linbay-Machinery is a reliable manufacturer of roll forming machines, and now we have a post-sales service center in Mexico, and we have many engineers to provide post-sales service to clients in different countries. So if you are interested, please follow me to see more details. At the beginning of the strut channel production line, we have a dequiller to hold the coil, and depends on the different budget and needs of the client, we can provide different types of dequillers. We have manual dequiller, hydraulic dequiller, combined machine of dequiller and leveler. We can also apply the loading car for the hydraulic dequiller. This is the feed inlet of the roll forming machine, because in this machine we will produce different sizes of strut channels, so we can adjust the width of the inlet. We can see there are 4 hand wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will provide different widths in our instruction manual. It's very convenient for the operators to adjust the different widths. The structure of the machine is cast iron support and transmit power by this gearbox. The combination of gearbox and cast iron support is the most powerful configuration, because in this case, the speed of the whole production line is very fast, and the thickness of the profiles are reached to 2 millimeters. This roll forming machine is equipped with the cooling system. We can see these sprayers. There are several spray heads. It can extend working time. The roll forming machine can work at least 8 hours each day, no problems. Totally, we have 12 roll forming stations. The rollers are chrome-plated to prevent from corrosion. This is a straightening head. After roll forming and before punching and cut, the profiles will go through this straightening head. This device can ensure the straightness of each profile. Especially when we need to produce long profiles, it's very necessary to apply this device in the roll forming machine. After the roll forming process, we can see here is the flying hydraulic punch station. In this case, we use the flying hydraulic punch station to save the space in the factory, because if we use a punch press, the whole length of the production line is 30 meters. When we use a hydraulic punch station equipped in the roll forming machine, the whole production line is 20 meters, and the step of each punch is 800 per minute. But when we use a punch press, the step is 200 per minute. And by the way, solution of hydraulic punch press is more economic than the solution of punch press. When we use a punch press, we need to dig a pit in the factory, but when we use a hydraulic punch station, no need to dig a pit, and the speed of the flying hydraulic punch station can reach 15 meters per minute. It is also very quick, because in this case, we will produce strut channels of 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, and 2.5 millimeters. We recommend the client to buy another set of mold and blades when produce the 2.5 millimeters strut channel, because it's a quite thick profile, and it will better if you can apply another appropriate set of molds. The form of the profiles will better. We can see these 2 different punch stations here. 2 sets of molds can punch different holes. It can punch 16 holes at one time, so it's a very efficient and quick solution. This production line has double servo system, which means in the hydraulic punch station there is a servo motor, and in the flying hydraulic cutting system, there is also a servo motor. So this production line can reach a speed of 50 meters per minute. And about the flying hydraulic cutting system, we also recommend the client to buy another set of blades when cutting the strut channel of 2.5 millimeters to avoid the deformation of the profiles, because 2.5 millimeters is a quite thick profile, and in this machine we have to produce 1.5 millimeters and 2 millimeters and 2.5 millimeters. These three different thickness. The profiles of 1.5 millimeters and 2 millimeters can share the same mold and blades. About this production line, we break through technical bottlenecks, and now we apply a new program. So the speed of this production line is quite fast. And if the client are not willing to dig a pit to choose the punch press solution, we highly recommend this production line of double servo motor system. That's all about this machine. Thanks for watching. Linbay Machinery is committed to provide the best machine and the best service to every client. After we ship this machine, we will provide the instruction manual and the installation video to client to help them install and operate this roll forming machine. If the client needs, we can also send engineer to their factory. Linbay Machinery have a sales group that can speak English, Spanish, Russian, and we also have foreign engineers to provide service to our clients. So no worries about post-sales service. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us by the information in the top right corner. See you next time. Bye.